Positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Is technology positive or negative for the environment? It considered that fundamental principle of technology development has been to benefit humanity. Our minds ambition this desire for power and immediacy have led to the excessive usage of technology, mainly of communication networks that are never turned off, through television, computer, cell phone, etc. Natural resources are also affecting the environment and humanity itself with the generation of greenhouse gases, thus turning technology into a negative impact factor. How we see the future of our planet? From my point of view, and consider that global warming and the increase in the rate of environment pollution is generating serious environmental damage, progressively affecting the quality of the lives of humans. If people do not change their habits, if current trends continue, population growth, rising level of consumption, and rapid urbanization will soon be reflected in the natural resource scarcity, degradation of land, poverty in developing countries, and the negative impact on the economic growth of the world nation. Strategies to mitigate the environmental damage. I consider it pertinent to make a call to the government of the 193 member states of the United Nations with the purpose of taking preventive measures according to the situation of each state, with the aim of undertaking relevant action that really lead to achieving the objectives of sustainability. Development through the declaration of transparent, real, and sustainable policies such as the EDM, climate policy for the reduction in the generation of greenhouse gases and that no complies with the policy can be sentenced as an ecological crime. It is also required to have technology of his efficiency that allow monitoring, controlling, and preventing natural disasters.